election, yeah, definitely by this time, because with due respect, with the unfortunate incident. But now I think because VPP were already, they already got the opportunity to be in the in the this council here. The people could see how they are discharging their duties, and then how even during in central also they already last time they have got MP, but we couldn't see any major change as they have saying during the campaign. So I think people are quite aware of that, because it's very easy to say, but it's very difficult to really do it. So I think people really understand. So I hope that, but that also ultimately depend on the candidate. So what kind of candidate we are putting on? So we are quite hopeful we'll get a very capable candidate, which will really be able to raise the issue of the people of Meghalaya in Delhi.
So there are talks about Bashandor being the MDA.
No.
Common candidate.
No. There is no such thing as of now. NPP is we are not tying up with anybody as of now. I can't say about the future plan, but right now we are like the NPP is alone.
As of now, no such talk.
No such talk.
But BJP putting up candidate will affect your prospect.
No. There is no such thing. I think we have our whole. And right now, if you see, I think that the numbers, if you're from last time, if you see the numbers of, we have increased the numbers of MLAs we have. So definitely that also will put a big boost for this MP election.
Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha, we are still under discussion. So I think it's not wise for me to comment anything on that. But we are still under discussion.
What do you feel?